Hi guys, in this tutorial we show you how to remove the door panel on a Skoda Fabia. So this is Skoda Fabia with manual windows. We will show you also for the electric windows. First you have to remove the window crack handle, pushing the plastic ring in the opposite direction to pop it. So this is the handle. Next, use a thin and long tool and a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver to remove the front part of the handle. If you can see, there is a hole there. So there's a big clip on the back and you have to insert the thin tool, like a welding electrode or something similar, through the hole to release it. Insert the tool about 6 or 7 centimeters and then pull towards you to release the clip. Then take the front part out. Disconnect the cables if you have electric windows, pushing on the yellow clip. There are 5 clips, 3 on the front, 1 in the back and 1 on the left. There's the big one where you have to insert that thing tool to unclip it. So let me show you again. Insert the tool about 6 or 7 centimeters and then pull towards you to release the clip. If you can see the frame here, and there's a piece of plastic that you have to release it from the clip. Then you have to remove also the remaining part. Push towards the front of the car to remove the second part of the handle and then take it out. Then you have to remove those 3 Phillips screws from inside. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Then use a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver to remove the plastic cap from the mirror switch knob. Hold the handle and then remove the plastic cap. Remove the inside bolt using a T15 Torx. Then remove those 3 T15 bolts from the bottom side of the panel. So we will use a ratchet and a T15 Torx. There's the bolt. Then unclip the door panel and take it out from the door. So you have to start from the lower side of the panel. So first unclip the door panel from the bottom side and then pull it up to take it out from the window frame. Then remove the cables from the handle and the security LED light. There's a clip there, you have to take it on the side and then pull that harness out. So this is the door panel. If you can see, there are 3 clips on the left side and 3 on the right side. Make sure to have bought new clips in case you break any. So there's 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side. So there is the inner door panel. If you can see there's a window motor. If you want to remove it, there's 3 screws. There's 3 bolts that you have to remove it. So this is the inner door panel for manual windows. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.